It'll take just a few minutes to go over some 3D Max background settings using your view. It's a very quick way to put a picture in the background and put some type of 3D object in front of it, such as, we're going to take a little car and put it in front of a house. You can put other objects. Also, you can create skies and put planes coming around. It does a really quick effect. First thing I want to do is open up a model. Okay, this is a model of a little sports car, and what we want to do is go to our views, viewport, background, and go find a file. We're going to use an actual house for background, and match viewport and display background so we can see what it looks like. And you don't really have to scale anything, you just kind of zoom in or out and kind of get it proportionally and pan down how big you think it might be. Maybe just a little bigger than that. And you can put a car out here like it's coming in front of the house. That looks good right there. And in order to render it, though, you have to go to your environment. Environment is going to put it in the actual rendering background. Instead of using the background color, you're going to be using the environmental map. You go to bitmap, the same picture, and then that will cause it to render out. And then you hit render. Just do a single. We'll take a look at it and see what it looks like. Obviously, if you have a few the materials assigned to it and it can't find, but that's okay, it'll still look pretty good. It should. And there you go. Obviously we want to move the car down just a little bit to make sure that it's on on the ground, so we can kind of just pan it down just a little bit and then render it out. There, that looks better. That looks good. So there you go. There's a quick way you can take a 3D model, whether it be a sky, plane, or a car, or vehicles, or other objects, and just sit it in front of a picture in the background and do a real quick rendering animation. And that's a neat way to do it. If you wanted to do the animation, then of course you want to select everything. We'll select it and make it easy. We'll go ahead and group it. And we can, this time we'll actually move. We can go down here to auto keys and turn those on. And we'll turn them off first and move it back over here. And now we can turn our auto keys on. Pull it all the way over here. This is a real short animation. You usually want to have at least 300 keys, which is about 10 seconds, but it won't take that long for it. Say a car drives up and then stops, something like that. And there's your animation you can do. Make a preview. See what that looks like. There's your quick view of that. So that's a pretty neat way to get a background and using 3D Max and your views and viewport background. Good deal.